Everyone, welcome to another one of my Leetcode videos, and in this video we'll talk about number 107, which is binary tree level order traversal 2. So if you haven't seen the video on the binary tree level order traversal 102, I recommend watching that first, because that gives an example of what a level order traversal is and also the algorithm. In this video, we're just going to make one modification to that algorithm and make it work for this case. So the previous one was a level order traversal from top to bottom. So it was basically 3, 9, 20, 15, 7 in the reverse order. And in this one, they want a bottom up level order traversal. So basically they want to go from 15, 7 first, 9, 20, and then 3. So it's basically bottom up. So again, if you haven't watched the previous video, go watch that one, because that explains the whole thought process. But in that video we ended up with this algorithm for the level order traversal. Now I'm just gonna make one change to it, which is here when we add the result to the result list, we're gonna be finding the first one first, right? So every time we find something, we're just gonna add it on top. So instead of adding it at the end of the list, we're just gonna add it on the top of the list, and that should solve this problem. So 0 is basically the index, and then this is the result list. So with this, I think this should solve this problem. Yes, it works, and let's try to submit. Cool. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and let me know if there's any other videos you want to see. I'm happy to do them on demand as well. And thank you for watching.